Welcome to this machine learning course. It's been a year before I launched a series on C++, and I got a very good response from you guys. This course will be far better than the previous one. In this course, I will teach you machine learning, a complete machine learning from a beginner to an expert. Learn every concept one by one. In this course, I will teach you Python programming and all the required libraries: Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, TensorFlow Lite, and every libraries and all 40 plus machine learning algorithms. I will teach you every machine learning algorithm and mathematics begin those algorithms, the coding, the model evaluation, all the stuff. And myself, I am Ramana, BTech mechatronics student, and I am working in the projects involving machine learning, deep learning. I used machine learning in my industrial manufacturing project, in my agri project for yield prediction, weather forecasting, and demand prediction, and used deep learning in self-driving cars. That was the project I'm currently working in. So I'm having a good expertise in machine learning. So stick with me throughout this journey. You will get a very deep knowledge in machine learning in every aspect, from coding, mathematics, begin those algorithms, every aspect you will get a very deep understanding. And thank you.